We have a 2000 Mustang Cobra R. Very awesome. I haven't seen one of these in like 10-15 years. This one has been used at various tracks, so he definitely tracks this car. It's very cool. He's taken it to Laguna Seca, various other tracks around the United States. It is car number 165 from Montana, towing with a Lincoln Navigator. Absolutely stunning 2000 Cobra R. Wow. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous car. Very, very cool. If you enjoyed this video, you may also like to watch some of my other Monterey Car Week videos. Have a great day.